Okay guys, I'm going to show you how to use the classroom management Google form so that when teachers complete it, it creates a PDF version of their classroom management plan. This is handy so that you as an administrator have a copy of what that plan is, but also you can stick it in a sub binder if a teacher didn't have time to put it in the binder for that day. Or for coaching cycles, if you know classroom management is an issue, you can go back to these plans and kind of rework them. So I just created a folder in my drive called Classroom Management Plans. And this is the Google form that was linked in the product you purchased. And what you first want to do is go ahead and go to Responses and click this Google Sheet so that we can create a new sheet that our responses are going to go to. Now there is an add-on that you're going to want to install, and you get to it through the Google Sheets. So you're going to go to add-ons. You're going to go and get the add-on called Document Studio. Okay, so then you're going to go to add-ons. You're going to go to Document Studio and you're going to hit open. You're going to want to turn this on. You're going to go find that second link that was in the product that you purchased, which was this document right here. And you'll notice it found 8 markers. We want it to be a PDF. Now, I don't have Gmail as part of my G Suite, but if you did, you could go to this part with the add-on and turn it on and have it email it to you if you want that. What I just want is I want it to upload to my Google Drive. There it is. And then if you wanted to share this with like your assistant principal or counselors, you could add those people here. And then I'm going to merge every time the form submits. I'm going to hit save. Okay, now I'm going to show you a sample so that you will know what this looks like. So if we'll go back to our Google form, I'm going to complete this as if I'm a teacher. So I will put my name on there. Teach 7th and 8th grade. How about that? And then I'm not going to put like what I would literally do. I'll just type what entry procedures if it was in person, entry if it was digital, daily operating procedures, digital and in person, exiting procedures, and then submit. Now we chose these areas because we felt like the first and last 10 minutes of class are the most crucial for instruction and where we had a lot of behavior issues. So then all you're going to do is you're going to go back to that folder you told it to upload those documents to, and you're going to see a PDF generate of the responses for that teacher, the grade they teach, and their classroom management plan. And it'll automatically create these for you every time a teacher submits that Google form. I hope you enjoyed this product, and please check out my store for more similar products like this.